Hello students, welcome to Esther Teach Me channel. Today we are going to talk about the Twi alphabet. The Twi alphabet. And then yebesua Twi nkyerɛwdeɛ. Na yɛhwɛ the Twi alphabet. Twi nkyerɛwdeɛ. Kedi machie Twi nkyerɛwdeɛ. Eno na yebesua. This is what we are coming to learn today. I hope you will enjoy it. Yɛnhwɛ revision. Let's revise. This is what you were taught in English. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. More. Very good. You have really done well. This is what you were taught. Now let's see. Let's start the ball rolling. We are coming to learn it in Ghanaian language. Yebesua ewo Twi kasa mu. Say it after me. Kedi machie A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, O, P, S, T, U, W, Y. Good. Now let's compare. If you really observed the two languages very well, you will realize that there are some letters in English which are not in Twi. Also, you will find some letters in Twi which are not in English. Good job. Eno na ye ka say. Obehu say nkyerɛwde bi wɔ hɔ no mo a, saa nkyerɛwde no ɛwɔ Twi kasa mu. Nanso eni poto kasa mu. Sara nso na nkyerɛwde bi wɔ hɔ a ɛwɔ poto kasa ni mu enso eni Twi kasa ni mu. Menim sɛ wusua ne Sara. Let's look at these letters. O are not in the English alphabet. Also, C, J, Q, X, Z are not in the Twi alphabet. Hope you realize that. Great. Take note. Twi uses sounds to say the letters of the Twi alphabet. This makes it very easy. Go over it and you get it right from the beginning. Da foforo nso yebesan ehie biom, meaning that we shall meet another time. See you. Bye.